Why use construction foam instead of sealant? Although of course various sealants all have their uses, polyurethane spray applied foam products, which normally expands in one form or another, can be the best choice in certain situations because of its unique properties. Here's when and why you'd use expanding foam instead of sealant. Number 1. Large gaps and voids. Expanding foam is ideal for filling large gaps, holes and cracks that caulk or sealant wouldn't be able to properly seal. Since it expands, as it cures, it effectively fills irregular spaces. Number 2. Insulation and energy efficient. Unlike caulk or sealant, expanding foam provides insulation by reducing air leaks and providing thermal efficiency. It's for sealing around windows, doors, pipes and electrical outlets to prevent drafts. Number 3. Structural support. Expanding foam hardens into a rigid material that adds some structural reinforcement. This makes it useful for stabilizing loose fixtures or filling voids behind walls and under sinks. Number 4. Water and pest resistant. Certain types of expanding foam, such as closed cell varieties, resist water infiltration better than chalks and sealant products. It can also help deter rodents and insects from entering small openings. Number 5. Versatility and adhesion. Expanding foam adheres well to a variety of different materials, including wood, metal, concrete and plastic. It's useful for construction, plumbing and even automotive applications. Now, caulk or sealant is better for small, flexible seals. When flexibility is needed, expanding foam hardens and doesn't flex like silicone caulk. Also, if you're using it near finished surfaces, excess foam is difficult to clean up and can damage paint or finishes. Now, around doors and windows, unless low expansion foam is used, because high expansion foam can cause warping by exerting too much pressure. Hopefully you've found our questions and answers useful, but if you've got any more questions, please leave them in the comments below. But if you need to find out more about the vast range of products that 3C offer, just check out their website, 3csealants.co.uk. Don't forget, you can now purchase 3C's products directly from Sealants Online, Amazon and eBay.